Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher. We just wrapped up our November 2022 monthly challenge over on the Accordion Love forums. And last month's challenge was all about learning the Klezmer scale and becoming familiar with it. Over 40 people from around the world participated, and I chose a few examples for the purpose of showing you, the accordion student, what progress looks like. And why I chose these examples is you might be wondering, are you doing the right thing? The answer is yes, you're doing the right thing. But I chose these students to show you what progress looks like when we're learning a new technique. So I'll share my screen and I'll show you Kaylee, and I'll show you Jan, and I'll show you William, and I'll show you Wendy. And what I want you to pay attention to, I'll do a little bit of a voiceover. The first students are paying particular attention to finger movement, playing the right notes. You'll see that the head is down, and I'm, as a teacher, paying particular attention to their finger movements. I don't necessarily care about trills and ornaments and multi-fingered melodies and all of those more advanced techniques. We're doing the basics of the technique, and I'm looking for a little bit of improvisation. So it's not just going up and down the scale. Is there a bit of rhythm? Is there a bit of a pause or timing? Those are bonus points. So let's take a look at Kaylee. And again, I want you to pay particular attention to proper fingering. Great job. Going up and down the scale, trying to keep a cadence, trying to keep volume consistent. Let's have a look together. Good slide. Good, and what Kaylee's doing there is she's starting to, something clicked. The Klezmer scale is Hava Nagila. Hava Nagila, Hava. So great job, Kaylee. Really nice finger movement, and really nice starting to make that connection of the Klezmer scale is part of a song. That's kind of stage 2 of playing. Let's take a look at Jan. Jan, let's take a look. Again, the head down, making sure the fingering is correct. Very nice. Good. Starting to look up and starting to do a little bit of improvisation with looking up. Great. Do, do, da, 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 da. Wonderful. Taking the Klezmer scale, getting the fingering down, and starting to apply it to improvise. If not in a song, then in your own improvisation. Very nice. Let's take a look at William. Good finger movements, and I'm hearing the song Miserlou. Good. So again, William, thumbs up. Again, making sure that the fingering is correct, looking down, and starting to apply the Klezmer scale to a song, to a familiar song that's starting to come out. Wonderful work. Let's take a look at Wendy. Wendy, I believe you're playing a song. Hava Nagila. Wendy is incorporating her left hand as well. This is a more advanced level of playing. Very good. So again, this is slightly more advanced. Where to go from there is to come over here where the finger movement, there's no more need to look down as much. I still look down as well. There's no need to look down as much. And Wendy is applying the Klezmer scale very smoothly to a song. The song is really being highlighted, and Wendy is starting to apply the left hand technique, which wasn't a part of the challenge, but Wendy, you're doing a great job. Next two people, Ingvar and Nora. This is starting to really improvise more and applying the Klezmer scale in a very creative musical way. Ingvar is looping himself in, and he's taken What Shall We Do with a Drunken Sailor into the Klezmer scale. Let's have a listen. So cool. What shall we do with a drunken sailor, right? using that Phrygian dominant scale. A plus Ingvar, really, really awesome. Nora, I also think Nora plays Freilich number 3. And improvising. Beautiful, just an awesome performance. Nora's taking the song but also introducing that klezmer scale improvisation. What a great application. Again, looking down at the scale, no problem with that, but really exploring left hand and the speed, the improvisation, creating those pathways so the music is much more smooth. And I wanted to finish off with Cindy, who composed her own klezmer song. And again, I'm highlighting these students. All 40 entries had a bit of these 3 things: creating your own songs, finger movements, dynamics, playing dynamics, repetition. I'm thinking of Guy Smalley with a digital accordion and those awesome klezmer sounds. Someone called it Jewish sci-fi. I love it. So let's take a look at Cindy's song. And again, pay attention to, this is advanced playing. Complex left hand rhythm and coming up with her own melodies. Da, do, da, 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 da. What makes a good melody? The fact that I'm singing it, that repetition, those dynamics. Do, 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 do. Beautiful. I encourage you to go over to the Accordion Love forum and check out all the entries. All of these entries are there. They're free for people to look at. If you want to participate in the Accordion Love Monthly Challenge, it's free to every Accordion Love member. Head on over to the forum. Get the encouragement of an entire community of learners just like you. And if you do 6 challenges in the course of a year, I'll send you an Accordion Love shirt. If you do 12 challenges over the course of a year without missing one, I'll send you a special prize pack. We have some students that have done, this is their 25th challenge in a row. Super cool. Thank you for watching. Thank you for those who participated, and I look forward to seeing you in next month's challenge. Bye-bye.